Hey there guys, welcome to K-Sets Double Box Break number 150 of 12-13 Panini Limited Hockey. So last team that ended was the Edmonton Oilers on February 25th at 8:19 p.m. Eastern Time. Current big day time. Hit refresh. So current big day time is Monday, February 25th at 8:24 p.m. Pacific. Monday, February 25th at 11:24 p.m. Eastern Time. So 3 hours since the auction ended. So 150. We don't have the serial numbers because these are the second set of boxes shown in break number 149. So I'll post the break 149 below for people to reference the serial numbers. So the serial numbers we're doing tonight are 191052443 and 191050054. So these are the third and fourth box out of the sealed case that we did yesterday. Sealed. And sealed. Okay, so I'll show you guys serial numbers for each box. Get started, guys. So the lighting fixes up a little bit because the first break we did with the football was pretty crappy. I don't know why the lighting's so shitty right now. So first box 0054. So good luck, guys. God damn it. I don't know why the lighting is so bad. Okay, and here we go, guys. So we got Brian Elliott for the Blues. Then we got Zach Parise for the Minnesota Wild out of $2.99. Come on, camera. Then we got Jakob Silfverberg for the Ottawa Senators out of $4.99. Jakob Silfverberg. We got limited, looks like the prime one of Joe Thornton, number 12 of 25 for the Sharks. We got limited jersey of Dan Boyle for the Sharks, 95 of 99. And we got just the Stanley Cup winner of Dave Anderchuk, 199. And we got board members of Mark Messier, number 18 of 25, so that's one of the short print ones. So 18 of 25 for the Rangers. And box 2. 2443. And here we go. Box 2, Tuukka Rask, go to $2.99 for the Bruins. Oh, looks like I gotta turn all these around, so we're gonna start this way then. Sorry. Then we got board members of Sidney Crosby for the Pittsburgh Penguins out of $1.99. Sidney Crosby for the Penguins. Then we got limited captains for the St. Louis Blues. David Backes, 11 of 25. Then we got redemption for rookie phenoms of Andrew Jodry, who I believe is Columbus. I'll double check that, but I'm pretty sure it's Columbus. So any redemptions, I can just eBay message to you guys if you'd like, or for the appropriate team. We got authentic jumbo material of Louis Eriksson for the Dallas Stars. And we got limited rookie redemption for the Columbus Blue Jackets. And we got limited travel of Simon Varlamov, which is going to be random between the Capitals and Avalanche. So it's the prime version of 49. It does have both logos there. So we'll do the random right now. I don't know why the lighting is so bad all of a sudden. Andrew Jodry. Yeah, Jodry is with I'm just looking up Andrew Jodry right now. Yeah, he's Columbus Blue Jackets. So both redemptions are for Columbus. So whoever's Columbus, I can just eBay message you the codes. And now on to the random for the limited travels of Simon Varlamov. So each team is in 3 times. We're going to random the list 3 times, and team on top after the 3rd time is going to receive the card. So good luck to 2 teams in it. So 1, 2, 3. It goes to the Colorado Avalanche, and you have randomized this list 3 times. So congratulations, Colorado. Tomorrow we got double limited football, double limited hockey, and double artifacts for tomorrow. Other than that, have a great night, guys. Take care.